Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this lesson we will learn about the method of difference. We can use the method of difference to find the sum of a series. At first, we can take an easy example. If we want to get the result of this series, how can I calculate easily? So we can use addition of fraction, but it's a little bit hard. So we can change any denominator of this fractions. So 2 we can change it as this. And 6, we can change it this. In the same way, we change any denominator of fraction. So the sum of series change this form, and then we can split this fraction into partial fractions. In the same way, we can split every fraction into partial fractions. And then all terms cancel except the first term and the last term. So the result is 1 minus 1/5. So the result is 4/5. And this method is the method of difference. If we want to, we know the general term of a series. And if we want to find the sum of this series, so at first we need to change the general term of this. Use the method of difference to factorize the denominator. So it's easy to change. After we factorize the denominator, and then we split this fraction into partial fractions. So the sum of this series is this. and all term cancel except the first one and the last one. So the result is 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. The final result is n over n plus 1. So this is the method of difference. So this is all content about the method of difference. See you next time. Thank you.